What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video. This is another update video on the 1290 Super Duke GT 2022 series. As you can see, I am back at Fowler's picking this bike up for about the 4th or 5th time now. So let's see if she's fixed. I've spoken with the technicians at Fowler's and they have said under the advisory of KTM they have replaced the mapping sensor. My main issue with that is apparently Motorcorsa had already changed the mapping sensor under the direction of KTM. Whether Motorcorsa did actually change the mapping sensor or whether they just said they did, I don't know. I'm going to go by the information that I've been told. After they changed the mapping sensor, one of the mechanics did take the bike home to do an extended test ride, because normally their test rides during the working day will only be anywhere between 5 and 20 miles. What I've noticed with this bike, when it's come back on, the old warning light, it's definitely been beyond 50 miles of me riding it. So the mechanic's taken it to his house and brought it back in. They then plugged it back into the KTM OED software and it says there's no faults. So fingers crossed this is now fixed. Myself and Zoe, we have got some big plans for 2023. Going to do some touring around the UK and then mainly we're going to get over to Europe and start smashing out some of those Alps. And obviously you cannot do that on a bike that keeps throwing up his engine light. I'm thinking of doing a couple of mods to this bike, so let me know in the comments box below either what have you done to your 1290 Super Duke GT, or what would you like me to do to this bike. I don't know about you guys, I get proper winter blues when I can't go out and ride my bike, so it feels good, get back out onto it. So far it's dry, hopefully it stays dry for the rest of the journey. Tomorrow and Saturday looks good as well. So myself and Zoe, we're going to go out and do some more filming. I think we're booked in for the Kawasaki H2 SX tomorrow, so stay tuned for that video. That will be coming out either next week or the week after. It just feels good, makes me happy being on a bike. As always guys, thank you very much for watching. This has been an update on my GT journey. I will let you know if after a couple hundred miles this light comes back on or whether it is fixed finally. As I've mentioned, over the next couple of months I may be doing a few videos on updating this bike ready for 2023, where we will be doing videos on touring. So make sure you subscribe, like this video, stay tuned to the channel, and until the next one, ride safe. There we go, ladies and gents, I've not even made it home from Fowler's and there you can see engine failure, traction control off, MTC. That is what comes up every time. So now slip doesn't work, traction control doesn't work, cruise control doesn't work. I said changing the part at Motorcorsa, said they changed, wouldn't work, and I was right. I ain't gonna lie, ladies and gents, I'm getting pretty fed up with this bike. Because the lights come back on, I've turned around, I've come back to Fowler's. It's frustrating. I live an hour away from Fowler's, so today I was 10 minutes from the house, so I've done 4 hours of driving back and forth to Fowler's, and so is Zoe, because she come up in the car. She's now out to turn around to come back and meet me to take me home. What is the answer for this bike? I don't know, but I will keep you updated. In the meantime, ride safe.